Anatomical terminology and anatomical. Have you ever wondered how healthcare professionals describe the exact location of injuries, organs, or body movements? That's where anatomical terminology and anatomical positions come in. Let's break it down in simple terms. Part 1. Anatomical position. First, let's talk about the anatomical position. This is the standard position we use as a reference when talking about the human body. In this position, 1. The person is standing upright. 2. Their head is facing forward. 3. Arms are at their sides with palms facing forward. 4. Feet are together or slightly apart, pointing forward. No matter how the body is actually positioned, sitting, lying down or moving, we always describe it as if it's in this standard anatomical position. Part 2. Directional terms. Now, let's learn some directional terms. These are words that help us describe where something is located in the body. 1. Superior means closer to the head. For example, your chest is superior to your belly button. 2. Inferior means closer to the feet, so your knees are inferior to your hips. 3-point anterior means towards the front of the body. Your nose is anterior to your ears. 4. Posterior means towards the back. Your spine is posterior to your stomach. We also have terms like medial and lateral. Medial means closer to the midline of the body. Your heart is medial to your arms. Lateral means farther from the midline. Your shoulders are lateral to your chest. Part 3. Planes of the body. Next are the planes of the body. These imaginary lines help us divide the body into sections. 1. The sagittal plane divides the body into left and right halves. Think of it like slicing down the middle. 2. The frontal plane divides the body into front and back halves. Imagine separating the front of your body from the back. 3. The transverse plane divides the body into top and bottom halves, like cutting at the waist. Part 4. Movements. Anatomical terminology also includes how we describe movements. Flexion means bending a joint, like when you bend your elbow. Extension means straightening a joint, like straightening your arm. Abduction is moving a body part away from the midline, like raising your arm sideways. Adduction is moving it back toward the midline. These terms make it easy to describe even complex movements in simple, universal language. And that's the basics of anatomical terminology and anatomical position. Understanding these terms is like learning the map of the body. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand anatomy videos. See you next time.